Hello Sprouts, and welcome to my playroom. Today we're going on a colourful forest adventure. We're going to learn lots of numbers and colours. But first, let's sing the hello song. Hello, hello, my name's Miss Apple. Hello, hello, what is your name? Take a deep breath, shout it out loud. Yay! Hello, hello, it's nice to see you again. What's this? What's this? Wow! It's a blue and white spotty bag. Ooh, a blue and white spotty bag. I wonder what's inside. Shall we open it? Open, open, open. Wow, let's take a look inside. Ooh, I can see lots of colours. So many colours. I think it might be our forest friends. They want to come out and say hello. Let's say hello, forest friends. Hello, forest friends. Wow, so many colourful forest friends. Oh, shall we meet the forest friends? Let's count them. Let's count the forest friends. Let's count the forest friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 orange squirrels. Wow, 10 orange squirrels. Squirrels love to wiggle their tails. Let's wiggle our tails just like a squirrel. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. That's amazing. We have 10 orange squirrels. Let's count our forest friends. Let's count our forest friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 blue mushrooms. That's amazing. Mushrooms love to pop up quietly on the forest floor. Shh.
Whoa.
Shh. Let's count our forest friends. Let's count our forest friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 brown bears. Hello, bears. Bears love to stomp, 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 and give each other big bear hugs. Oh, that's so sweet. That's amazing. 8 brown bears. Let's count our forest friends. Let's count our forest friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 white owls. Owls have big wings and they flap them very slowly. Can you flap your wings just like a big white owl? Amazing! That's right. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 white owls. Let's count our forest friends. Let's count our forest friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 purple flowers. Purple flowers love to bloom. They love to bloom in a sunny field. Wow. That's amazing. 6 purple flowers. We have so many forest friends. Let's keep meeting the rest. Let's count our forest friends. Let's count our forest friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 turquoise birds. Birds love to sing all day long. Tweet, 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 tweet. Can you sing just like a bird? Tweet, 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 tweet. That's 5 turquoise birds. Let's count our forest friends. Let's count our forest friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. We have 4 yellow trees. Trees love to sway in the wind. Let's give them some wind. Wow, so windy. That's 4 yellow trees. Let's count our forest friends. Let's count our forest friends. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 pink bunnies. Bunnies are great at hopping. Boing, 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 boing. Can you hop just like a bunny? Boing, 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 boing. Let's count our forest friends. Let's count our forest friends. 1, 2. 2 big, tall, green trees. Can you stretch your arms up high, just like a tall green tree swaying in the forest? Yes, just like that. We have 1 left. Let's count our forest friends. Let's count our forest friends. 1. We have 1 red fox. This is a very special red fox. Hi, Fox.
Hello.
Let's tell a story with our forest friends. One day, there were 4 orange squirrels playing in the forest. "Oh no," said one squirrel. "We've lost our red berries. Where should we look?" Said the other squirrels. Can you do that? Look over there. There's 3 blue mushrooms. Let's ask them if they've seen our red berries. The squirrels scurried all the way to the blue mushrooms. "Excuse me, blue mushrooms, have you seen our red berries anywhere?" "No, we haven't seen your red berries, but we do have magical powers and we can glow to guide the way." The blue mushrooms began to glow, guiding the squirrels on their path. The squirrels scurried along the glowing forest path and came to 2 brown bears. "Excuse me, brown bears, have you seen our red berries?" "No, we've not seen your red berries anywhere. But we do have very good noses. We could sniff them out even if they're far away. Would you like us to try?" "Yes, please." So the brown bears sniffed and sniffed. "Oh, I think they might be that way. Follow the path." So the 4 orange squirrels followed along the path all the way to 2 tall green trees. They were swaying in the wind. Sitting cosily under the green trees was one red fox. Let's ask the red fox if he's seen our red berries. "Excuse me, Mr. Red Fox, have you seen our berries anywhere?" "Oh, hello. No, I haven't seen your berries. Oh, wait. Are you talking about these berries?" "Wow, that's them. I was just keeping them safe for you behind the green trees. You can have them back now." And all of the forest animals gathered around the berries and sang a beautiful song together. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. 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 Do 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 do. His world is calm, he takes it slow. There's no set speed in how we grow. Perfect in every way. Just be yourself and everything will be okay. Koala, koala, koala. doesn't roar or need to shout. A gentle voice can still stand out. Soft words can brighten up the day. Just be yourself and everything will be okay. Koala, koala, koala. When you need to rest, just take some time to close your eyes and dream away. When you're feeling scared or worried, be yourself and everything will be okay. Koala, 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 Wow, thank you for singing with me. And thank you for joining me and our forest friends on a forest adventure. It was so much fun. I'll see you next time. Hello grown-ups! You can now find Miss Apple merch and personalised video messages available on our website, learnwithmissapple.com. See you next time. Bye!